Hi, this is John Sunmez from Pluralsight, and today we're going to be talking about the Android user interface. First, let's take a quick rundown of all the things that we're going to discuss in this module. The first thing that we're going to look at is the fact that in Android, everything is a view. There's a lot of overloading going on with the name view, and we're going to discuss that, and we're going to look at the view architecture. Then we're going to take a look at the layout files, which are XML files that describe the view. Then we're going to take a look at some of the different types of layouts. I'm going to walk through a few different kinds of layouts that you might use in your Android applications and show you some of the uses of each one of those. Then we're actually going to go ahead and create a simple layout. We're going to create the layout that we had mocked up in a previous module for the protein tracker application that we're using for this course. So we're actually going to create that layout, lay it all out, and then look at the XML file so that we can understand how to create layouts in Android.